I shared today early in the morning with the Asia cash session my analysis on gold to stay long above 1855, and precisely it has achieved 1861 earlier in the day. Now trading at 1858, and similarly US30 and US100 trading with a drop. Now what is going to happen today with the US cash session? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And yes, first we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and at the end Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Let's start with gold here. Gold right now trading at 1858.5 level. This is on the hourly charts. The support here at 1855 is very strong, and with that is support, it is trying to stay bullish. Let's see if it continues to do so, but right now it appears probably we may see it continuing in this channel, and any break beyond this zone at 1857 probably we may see, rather 1858 below, we may see a little drop till towards 1855, and below that again it may try to drop or give a red candle. So what it is trying to do, rise, retracement, rise, lower highs, and then a retracement followed with a retracement here. So I'll be watchful here. Definitely 1855 is the level which I am watchful of since yesterday, and in my weekly analysis I have told this level is going to provide a little support for any downside move here. And again 1855 here, below that 1850 will come into picture, but till the time it trades above this, the next target is possibly going to be somewhere here at 1862 levels, and beyond that we may see a good bullish move. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic trading near overbought levels. The MACD is trading bullish here. It is trading with a divergence. RSI not showing any signs. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts again it is trying to trade bullish. See the body size here, it is diminishing in nature, and this level I am skeptical of 1861. If it breaks past this, probably it will be again looking forward to 1865 here. Similar size of candle we may get. Also look at this, it is kind of a breakout here out of this resistance zone, and since then it is trying to trade with a rise. So probably we may look forward to 1860 first resistance, and then 1865 levels again should get achieved. Beyond that it will definitely fly. However, if it breaks below 1855, go short there, and then the target is again till towards 1850 levels, and below that we may see a fall. I am skeptical of that, as since morning I have told do not short till it is below above 1847 levels. That was the call, and since then it is a rise. It has rose nicely. Directional movement is bullish here on the 2-hour charts as well. It is looking forward to enter into overbought levels. MACD is trying to cross over here, and the RSI is trading flat here. If you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, see the previous two candles, higher highs have been done. Now 1862 levels it may try to achieve, and beyond that we may be looking forward to 1865 levels. What it is trying to do is this, and probably from there we will see if it continues to drop from there. It will be like double top formation, and then the drop should follow from there. So I'll be watchful of that. If it achieves 1865, and how it behaves at 1865 is important for me. If it tries to reverse from there, we may see, it is a good time to go short there, and then it will try to come back to this zone at 1845 and break below those levels sharply. If not today, by tomorrow maybe that will happen. Directional movement is still bullish, and stochastic on the 3-hour charts is overbought here. MACD is trading without any direction. RSI is almost near to top there. If you look at the 4-hour chart, similarly on the 4-hour chart, it is trying to show you third green candle here. See higher lows on this chart and higher highs. Probably we are looking forward to now this zone at 1865. Probably it may try to achieve this, form the double top, and from there I will be watchful of how it behaves, because see it is trying to trade this in this expanding triangle. When I say expanding triangle, it means it is trying to trade in this, and if it gives a breakout about 1865, probably we may be looking forward to 1875 and 1878 levels also. This is possible, but I'll be watchful of 1865. Again I am telling you, and watch out for those levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards here. MACD is trading flat, and RSI not showing any signs. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts you'll find this is the second green candle, and yes, it is trying to trade precisely in this channel. Also look at this, this is also expanding triangle here, and probably if it continues beyond 1865, one can expect 1871 to get achieved today itself, and from there I'll be watchful of how it behaves. And as we saw on the 2-hour charts, probably a double top formation, and from there if it drops we can see it again dropping sharply. Maybe tomorrow we may see it again coming back to 1845, 1840 and below levels. So I'll be watchful of this zone specifically at 1865. Beyond that 1870 and 1880 are the targets. I don't find that this is going to happen, but let's see if it continues to do so. Directional movement is bearish here, trying to converge, and this is overbought. So yes, this is also confirmation that probably it may try to retrace back a bit on the downside. And directional movement here is bullish and on MACD, and it is wide and divergent, indicating still there is some steam in gold for it to rise. But at the same time, now coming back to the daily candle here, see this is what it has done. There is a resistance there for sure at 1865 and 1865 and 1860 levels. So I'll be definitely watchful of these two levels, almost forming double top. It can try to retrace back from there also. So see on the daily charts, it is precisely trying to replicate this, and I'll be watchful 1860 how it behaves, 1865 how it behaves, only above which I'll recommend you to go long. So yes, one can go long only if you see it trading above 1860 now, above 1860-61 rather I will say, above 1861 you can go long for 1865, and then beyond that it may try to hit 1871. But I will be watchful and cautious and how it behaves at 1861 and 1865 zone. These levels are going to be a retracement level from which I expect that it may try to come back down again, and by tomorrow we may see it coming till towards 1840 levels and 1836 levels. So I'll be cautious here. I'll be expecting it to retrace back soon. It may try to give us symmetry from here and probably try to give you drop from here. So I'll be cautious there. And the short entry is anyways below 1850, as I told today early in the morning that the short entry is only below 1850 levels, rather I will say 1847. Now the long entries too is widened because we do not see any steam for it to rise strongly on the upside, and hence yes, in between 1847 and 1865 please stay cautious, just move or just take sideways movement, just enjoy the sideways movement for a couple of more points, or $4-5 movement, and probably you can enjoy these trades. However, I don't see any large movement throughout this day, neither breaking the lower levels at 1847, neither breaking. Probably yes, there is a little chance for it to break till towards 1865, but beyond that I don't see a movement. Yes, any movement beyond will take it towards, see if it sustains above 1865 it will take it towards 1871-78. However, my expectation is to remain range bound. Let's see how it behaves and take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, US100 on the hourly charts is trying to reverse as it has seen a rise, and this is the breakout candle on the hourly charts. Probably it may try to come back again, break below this zone at 11,770, 780. These levels at 11,770 is something I will be watchful of, and then 11,750 below this it may break heavily till towards 11,600 level. So I will be watchful of that. Yes, there is a little support at 11,700 below which definitely it will fall strongly. Directional movement on the hourly charts is bearish. Stochastic is near to overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is trying to convert, but a red candle will deny it to do so. RSI looking downwards here. Similarly on the 2-hour charts, there is a definite resistance at 11,920 which it has to surpass. If it surpasses this, definitely there is going to be more bullish move. Also look at this, till the time it trades above this zone at 11,770 and 11,750, I will not recommend you to go short. Rather, till 11,750 I will not recommend you to go short. It is trying to trade in this channel, and probably yes, there is a support here at 11,800 and 770 levels, and it may try to bounce back again from these levels. The resistance at 11,920 is there, and what it is trying to do is this double top is done and it is trying to look downwards. I think probably breaking below this we may see a good sharp fall today. See, the resistance there is very strong at around 12,050, 12,100. With that as resistance, it is trying to trade downwards, and this time if it breaks we may see a sharper fall on US100. So I will be watchful and cautious at these levels at around 11,700 specifically. Directional movement is bearish, trying to convert, so yes, let's stay cautious there. Stochastic looking upwards on the 2-hour charts. MACD is trading with a bearish bias, and RSI trading flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts, you will find that yes, there is a little resistance on the downside. At the same time, on the upside too, there is going to be a stronger resistance at 11,920 levels. Only once it surpasses 11,920, I'll expect that is the level beyond which one should go long, and then one can expect 12,000 levels, 12,050 levels, and yes, breaking this, only something we can expect that it is going to show you a stronger reversal on the upside, and it may try to break 12,100 also. Directional movement, it is trying to converge. It is still trading with a bearish bias. 3-hour stochastic is trading at bottom here, and the MACD is trading flat, but it is just crossed over on the sell side. RSI is looking downwards. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts too, yes, there is a little resistance here. Now if you look at on the 4-hour charts, you will find that again the same levels, 11,920 levels, below, beyond which only if it sustains one can go long, and then the target is going to be directly till towards 11,980, 12,000 levels, and if it surpasses it, then 12,050, 12,100 should come into picture. So yes, that should be considered a reversal. If it trades about 12,100, definitely that should be considered a reversal. At the same time, on the downside, 11,750, breaking 11,750, one can go short there. Look at the 4-hour chart. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge, and the stochastic is oversold. MACD trading flat, and RSI trading flat there. So hardly any indication there, but yes, couple of indicators are still on at the bottom there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, this is the channel in which it is trading. Now it is precisely in the middle of this. Only a breakout beyond the zone at 12,100 will try to take it till towards 12,400, and a retracement from there, a sharp drop from there can be expected. But if you look at the daily candle here, yes, it has started in red, and it has started to come out of this channel. So this was the channel in which it was trading with the flat head there, or a resistance flat at around 12,050, 12,100 zone, and today it has come out of this. Probably it may, if it tries to come back into this zone beyond 11,920, yes, you can go long, and then one can expect that it may try to break past this zone also. So I'll be cautious there. Look at this on the downside, there is a support here at 11,750, which if it breaks through, one can expect that we can see a sharper drop. So in between 11,750 and 11,920, do not trade. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading flat. MACD is trading flat, hardly any movement there, and RSI is trading flat near to bottom there. So considering this, do not trade between 11,750 and 11,920. In between these levels, I'll be still watchful. I'll be still expecting probably it may try to break past 11,920, and then if it breaks past 11,920, one can expect that 12,100 levels can be achieved. Beyond that, it will definitely fly till towards 11,280, 11,300, 400, or 12,280, 12,400 levels. On the downside, breaking 11,750, one can expect 11,700, and then 11,620. Below that, we may see a sharper drop till towards 11,500, 400 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 11,750 and 11,920 levels. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 has taken a reversal from here, and in fact double top is achieved. So till here the job is done, and since then it has retraced back on the downside. So a possible breakout beyond this zone here, that is at 31,750, if it breaks out beyond this zone, yes, you can probably go long. Then the resistance at 31,800 is very strong. If it breaks past this, then again we will see 31,950, 32,000 levels, and beyond that we may see it flying. At the same time, breaking below 31,550, we can see a drop again. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. The stochastic is near to top. The MACD is trying to converge, and the RSI trading flat. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similarly it is trying to give you a breakout, but look at the charts here. See, it is trying to create a symmetry, and yes, may give you slower move for a couple of candles and then give a breakout, or with the opening brawl we may see it breaking past this zone at 31,800, and then trying to head till towards 31,970, 32,000, and beyond that we can see it flying. At the same time, breaking below this zone, which I don't think that it may try to do, but yes, if you see it trading below 31,600, yes, you can go short for 31,550, 31,500, and below that we may see a sharper drop. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is near to bottom, looking upwards. MACD has just crossed over 2 candles back, and it is trying to trade with a bearish bias. RSI not showing any signs, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly it is trying to show you a reversal here. and yes, and any break below 31,600 will be a very good level to go short, but the level at 31,550, it may provide a support, the 20 period moving average coming here at the 3-hour charts, and then below that we may see it dropping sharply. The first support will come into picture 31,500 and then 31,420 levels. Below that it can drop heavily. At the same time, see, there is a resistance there on the upside at around 31,750 levels, so I'll be watchful of that. In between 31,600 and 750, don't trade. Right now though, on the 3-hour chart, it appears that we may be looking forward to a bullish move from here, and we may see it rising from these levels. The directional movement is trying to converge. The stochastic is near to bottom, trying to trade upward. The MACD is still bullish, trying to converge here. The RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also, it is trying to reverse from here, and yes, after this it is trying to rise. We may see a little reversal if it continues to trade above this zone at 31,700. We can expect it to rise till towards 31,850 first resistance, and then it may try to break till towards 31,900 plus levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge, but it is trading in a buy zone right now. It is trading in a green zone, and the RSI trading flat here. If you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find that, see, the tail is formed, it has failed to go past this zone, and see, this is trying to still trade in this channel. The high is at around 32,200, 32,100 levels can be expected. Breaking past 31,800, definitely one can expect a sharper move, and that is the levels beyond which one can expect that we may see it going and breaking till towards 32,200 levels plus levels can be seen. If it continues to trade, we may see a bigger bullish candle than this. The previous body size was almost from 31,400 to 800. Similarly, from 31,800 to 32,200 can be expected. So yes, beyond 31,700 you can go long. I'll give you the levels, I'll summarize it, give me a little more time here. And if you look at the directional movement, it is still bearish. The stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover here. This is a bullish crossover. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading near to bottom and trading with the support here. So considering this, if you see US30 trading below 31,600, yes, there you can go short. But remember, the nearest support at 31,550 is there and 31,500 is there. From there it can reverse. From 31,550 also it can reverse. From 31,500, these two levels I will be watchful of. Till the time it trades above 31,500, we can expect it to rise again. Also, next, if you have to go long once you see it trading above 31,750. Once you see it trading above 31,750, go long. The nearest resistance it will get at 31,810. Once it breaks past 31,810, you can remain long for 32,000, and then 32,100, 32,220 can be achieved today. So I'll be still expecting it to show you a bullish move and trade till towards 32,200 levels. Probably this is my expectation, and I don't run markets for sure, but as per my experience, I think we may see a little bullish move. Till the time it trades above 31,500, I'll still expect a rise. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next analysis on gold, silver, Dow Jones, Nasdaq will be up tomorrow before Asia cash session. Also, you can be part of my next mentorship batch. The 11th batch is starting on 6th of June. Reach me for details. My email ID and Telegram ID mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.